Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you basic sewing supplies needed for sewing, but it depends upon what you're making. You may need others not included in this video as well. A measuring tape is used for measuring fabric, taking body measurements, drafting patterns, laying out patterns on fabric, specifying the length of a garment, checking the size of hems, measuring curves and corners, measuring curtains, quilts, etc. A ruler is used to measure long, straight lines. A seam ripper is used for cutting and removing stitches. A sewing needle is used for hand sewing. Thread is used to hold fabric together or attach something to the fabric. Thread snips are also called thread nippers. Thread clippers or thread cutters are used for trimming threads and quick access to trim the end of each seam. Pins are used to hold pattern pieces in place, secure seam allowances as you sew, fit fabric to the body, and attach decorative trims. Scissors are necessary for cutting fabric or anything that needs to be cut. Pin cushion is used to store pins or needles with their heads pointing upwards to easily grab them when needed and to keep them organized. Marking pencil is used to transfer little notes that appear on a pattern, such as where to cut, fold, sew, or place joining pieces. Sewing gauge is used for making quick and consistent measurements and maintain accuracy. Sewing machine of your choice to stitch fabric together with threads. Bobbins for a sewing machine that I discussed in a previous video. Iron and ironing board or mat for pressing seams and fabric. Fabric for your project.